Hey everyone! Big thanks to our new subscribers for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that button to stay updated with the latest and hottest car accessories on Amazon. And if you like the item featured in this video, you'll find the product link down below. Engine and cabin air filter set for Subaru. Crosstrek 2018 to 2025. AUXKO. Retractable cargo cover for 2025-2024 Subaru Crosstrek. Center console. Armrest cover for Subaru. Crosstrek accessories 2024-2025. Crosstrek screen protector for 2024-2025. (2024 to 2025) tape-on side window deflector visors for Subaru Crosstrek. Subaru Key fob cover case with keychain. JKCOVER dashboard. Mats compatible with Subaru. Crosstrek/Impreza 2018 to 2023. XHRING car, trunk organizer, backseat hanging storage bag for Subaru. Crosstrek 2000 to 2025. Engine and cabin air filter set for Subaru. Crosstrek 2018 to 2025. Bibibo 2-pack 2024-2025 Crosstrek center console. PIMCAR fuse box. Coin container inner storage tray for Subaru. Crosstrek. Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.